Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about painted and powder coated aluminum parts versus bare aluminum parts. Now this probably will apply for aluminum cylinder heads, water pumps, and all that good stuff. Now what we're looking at here is we have an Edelbrock Performer that's been powder coated on the left and the bare aluminum Performer on the right. Now theory goes is that if you paint or powder coat your aluminum parts, they can hold more heat. Now aluminum is great at absorbing heat as well as dissipating heat. Now both these intake manifolds were put in the oven at the same time and they set in there together for the same amount of time. So we should have a good baseline to go by. Now I didn't try to get the oven too hot just because I wanted to keep it closer to what you'd get under the hood and on top of the engine. Now we're going to look at we're going to look at our bare aluminum intake here. And we're mainly worried about the plenum, just due to the fact that most of the outside of the aluminum will not affect your performance. As we know, too much heat, you need heat, but too much heat is bad on performance. Now you have a heat crossover that atomizes your fuel. Now unfortunately this test does not really do anything for that because we don't have the exhaust heat. But we should get pretty close to seeing a difference. Now I'm setting about say 205 there. Say about 226, 225. Alright, so right off the bat, we're already warmer on the plenum. Let's look at the front of the intake. Now that's quite a bit of difference. Now the back of these are probably going to be a little bit warmer because they're closer to the oven right now. But it should tell us something. A powder coated and painted intake, it's holding more heat and it's getting hotter, which is going to hurt your performance. Whereas powder coat can look good if you're driving it every day or racing. I would stay away from powder coating or painting your intake. Alright, and now the intake manifolds have been removed from the oven into a separate area. And it's been a couple of minutes, so now we're going to look at them again. Now I'm trying to hold it same distance and get about an accurate reading. And as you can see, the bare aluminum intake is still cooler. So it's actually cooling down. And let's see, earlier we were 20 degrees. It's a little bit different. So the bare aluminum is actually cooling off faster, which proves this theory that a painted and powder coated intake manifold will get hotter and cool and dissipate less heat. So unless you really care about looks, I'd keep your intake manifold bare aluminum. Now thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And keep a watch out for more content. Thank you.